G'day ice cream lovers, welcome to the Scoop School Show. Thank you for joining us. Look, whether you're watching on YouTube or listening on iTunes, look, just click subscribe. Let's just get over the awkwardness. You know you want to do it, just click it, and I think you and I will be much happier in our relationship, the viewer-listener-presenter relationship. Anyway, we're going to talk about cleaning your waffle iron. We're continuing this process of our waffle slash cone series here. Before we jump into what, I do want to thank our episode sponsor, which is iRice & Co. Rod Oranger, now I know it's a little bit confusing because Oranger may be associated here with the Oranger line, and there is a family connection there, but Rod Oranger is the man at iRice. He has basically brought, now I'm not taking away from Steve and everybody there because it's been a long family-run business. But since Rod has come on board, they've got such a good array of toppings, flavors. iriceco.com, iriceco.com is the place to go. We thank you for your episode sponsorship. Now in this video, again, we're going to be talking a little bit about how to maintain and care for your waffle iron. And this, my friends, is your best friend. It is a wire brush that generally comes with your waffle iron or waffle grills. Never get this mixed up with your toothbrush because the bristles on this guy here will basically rip your gums apart. But it is great for cleaning your waffle cone machine, your Belgian waffle machine. So let's jump into the GoPro and see how we do it. Okay, so after a full day of waffle cone making, waffle bowl making, we've even cranked out a few of these waffle wedges here. It's time to clean the unit. Now, you're going to get much more longevity out of these plates if you clean the unit every single time you do it. Try to resist the temptation to just close this off, shut it down, and put it away, because the oil that you've used, vegetable oil, canola oil, is basically baking on here even as we speak. And you can see these are relatively new plates, and there's still a little bit of discoloring here, a little bit of residue here of some of the cones that we've made. It's a relatively simple process. You take a wire brush. Now preferably you're using the brush that was actually given to you by the manufacturer. If you don't have one, call Quebecco or call the manufacturer of your unit and ask for one of these brushes. I really would suggest not using something that you find in your garage because it may not be compatible. You may void the warranty. And it's got to be hot. So you can either just turn the unit off, but these plates got to be hot. And really it is just a matter of putting a little bit of pressure down and making sure. And I'll just clean half of this plate so you can actually see the difference. I'm scraping off the residue of the cones there. Oops, I didn't want to burn myself. And just scraping down any of the residue of the oil. You may want to do it this way as well. Get all of those grooves in. And along the sides here. Now you can see a big difference between the color here and the color here that we have not done. You also need to do the top as well. So we'll do this way on the top. And you can, again, look at the color difference. I know those who are watching on the GoPro are probably just about ready to be seasick at the moment. So again, regular cleaning of the grill while the grill is hot. And again, you can see the difference in the color here. Have I just left this grill like this, then this discoloration will add every single time that I do a waffle cone, a wedge, a bowl. It's going to add to the issue, and within a month or so this is going to be all black. These crevices are going to be filled, and you're going to have a nightmare of a time trying to clean that. You will see here that there is on this paper towel a little bit of this residue here. It's a little bit of a messy job. Make sure you've got a towel close by that you can wipe down any of the residue that's kind of dropped down. Wipe down the machine after you've done, but it really is important to do. It's going to give you a lot more life out of the process of making your waffle cone machine much more effective for you. So there it is, relatively simple. Do it regularly, do it while it's hot, and you'll find that you'll see a big difference in the way that your waffle cone machine can actually heat and continue to produce great products. So there you have it, folks, relatively easy. I will tell you that if you can do this every single day and you do it while the iron is hot, you'll get a much longer shelf life or longer life out of your grills or your plates. you won't need to send back to the manufacturer. So do it regularly, do it often, do it while it's hot. I'm talking about cleaning your ice cream machine, your waffle cone machine, obviously. Thanks for joining us in this episode. Keep on scooping, and we'll see you in the next video.